For the best outcome, I suggest starting with freshly washed wet hair. If your hair is dry, I suggest re-wetting your hair with water and then adding a combination of moisture cream, gel, and hair oil. Now it may seem like a lot, but the finished product will have super soft curls and leave a great definition with the perfect amount of moisture and shine. As we start, I'm going to take down one section and then I am just brushing it out just to make sure that everything is smooth and easy to braid. Then I'm going to split the section into 3 separate strands. To begin the pattern, you're actually going to start by braiding it. Cross it over with your strands as you're braiding and then stop. This will help keep the top of your twist tightly coiled and perfect. With your 3 strands in the hand, take the strand on the right and cross it over to the left. When you do this, the strand in the middle will end up on the right, and that twist will next be crossed to the left. In that order, continue crossing the strand on the right to the left. It might seem tricky at first, but the goal is to keep it moving each strand from the right to the left. Now, my biggest struggle when first starting out on the 3-strand twist was trying not to braid it. Braiding it was the hardest thing for me because my brain automatically just thought, oh, well, there's 3 strands. Okay, braid. So just make sure you're following the right coordination from going right to left. It'll definitely help you out a lot. You'll notice that unlike any other twist pattern, this creates more of a coiled twist rather than a standard double twist. When you've completed that coil, take a tiny amount of gel and massage it in on the end of the twist and create a finger coil. So now I'm going to continue to do the same thing in the back of the hair. The biggest challenge is making sure that you keep moving the strands from right to left, especially when it's in the back. That was my struggle when I first started doing it because I wanted to braid it so bad, but honestly, you'll get the hang of it. Just keep trying even if you braid. Finish the whole hair, you can actually apply some gel to your edges and make sure that they're laid and slayed for the next morning. Now usually you want to start by unraveling the twist from the bottom to the top. I started at the top because it was a little easier for me. So you can choose either or, but to avoid frizz, I suggest starting from the bottom. And after each section has been uncoiled, the next step is to separate the curls. This is a great way to create volume, starting again at the bottom and then separating each coil in half. Now when you do this, you actually don't want to force the coil out. I actually had struggled with that before when I first started. Just take out whatever flows. So if it comes apart easily, just unravel those. Okay, so honestly, watching this right now, that curl looks so freaking nice. This is why I love doing the 3-strand twist. It just defines my curls and it just makes me fall in love with my hair again. So this part is actually my favorite part because I get to define and volumize my hair. You're just gonna take it and kind of just tease your hair. Now it looks like I'm going ham on it, but I just love really big hair, so I'm just combing away. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my third YouTube video. I am so excited that I got to share how I do my 3-strand twist and how I get my hair to look the way it is right now. I usually like to do this when I'm either going out later, which I am. I'm going to a late Christmas holiday party with my job. So yeah, I usually like to do this hair tutorial or like this hairstyle when I'm going out, or if I just want my hair to look nice and ready to go, or if I don't want to wash my hair like the day after, because usually when I wash my hair throughout the week, it tends to get very dry. So I like to just develop different ways that I can prevent my hair from getting really dry. So I do this and it actually comes out really nice. The hairstyle for me lasts like 2 to 3 days, so that's why I also like to do this hairstyle. Plus it's very cute. One thing that I will note is to like comb it out, like tease your hair out afterwards, so that way like it's not so tight, if that makes sense, because you want your hair to get real bouncy and like have that volume, especially for me, like I really love big hair. So that is the final look. I really like how it came out, and when I use the African oil, let me get it, hold on real quick. So when I use the African oil, or African's Best Jamaican Black Castor Growth Oil, it actually made my hair look really shiny. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really like how it came out. It's bigger than how I usually have it, and the curls are definitely a lot bigger and more wavy. I definitely like how it came out, and I also just applied a little bit of the Shea Moisture Multivitamin Soft Curl Gel Cream, just to give it that, like, that, I don't know, what does it say? To define my waves and my curls. So that is also what I used, and if you guys have any questions, please DM me or leave some comments down below and I'll get back to you. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video that I put together. It was very difficult, like I said, but
I'll only get better and better as I progress. And you know, I'm not the best editor and I'm not the best videographer, but I am doing it, and that's all that matters to me. And I want to continue to share this experience and share this journey with you guys as I continue to make more videos. It's a process, and I can't wait to do more for you. And I hope all of you are having a wonderful day. Continue to shine, because at the end of the day, you're in control of what you want in life. And I appreciate all of you for watching or just tuning in today. I love you guys so much. Take care.